How you doing? Right, so we found our spot. We made our way from Cush Car Park. It is unbelievably windy. So yeah, our plan was to go to the lake over, but we passed this beautiful spot, and when you have a view like that, you don't miss it. So we're gonna plonk our tents here now, with the beautiful Cush beside us. So I might take a ramble up that later on. But yeah, let's get set up. I brought a tarp as well with me tonight. I brought my Vango and a tarp. So yeah, let's see how we get on with that. Let's go. So fair breezy. So Craig is going to set up over here, and I'm going to plonk up behind him then. Yeah, I know, that sounds wrong, doesn't it? I'm actually hungry already. It's a bad sign. Yeah, it's a lumpy pitch. Just trying to get... Actually, I better hurry up. That's coming in. Okay, I better keep going. You stay there. I brought with me the Vango Trek Tarp, which I've never brought out before. I've had it for so long. It's a 5,000 hydrostatic head, which is unbelievable. So it's very breezy, but let's see what I can do with it. This should be interesting. Made a dog's dinner, that. But I think it might work. The reason I did it that way is there's a really strong wind coming down, so I was trying to block it here. I can sit my touche under there. We'll see. I did a video recently where I put the original Tringia up against the knockoff. Yeah, I just wanted to see how good the original Tringia was, because like there's so many copycat Tringias out there. Well, you won't call them Tringias. They're all coming from the same company, but it's just people just buy them and put their own logo and stuff on them. But they have the identical characteristics of a Tringia itself, but I don't think they have the cotton wick in the inside, because the difference, like, it takes about 2 minutes to prime, and then the original Tringia takes about 30 seconds. So yeah, reminded of that because I actually brought the Tringia out with me tonight. Happy days. So what's for dinner tonight? So I've chicken herb noodles with a load of cashew nuts, load of onions, all gluten-free. Can't wait to get stuck into this. Starving. You really gotta try this. You can get the doesn't make a difference if it's gluten-free or not, this is, but the taste of it is just unbelievable. You can get them in either curry or chicken, which this one is, and just add some more things to it yourself. I put a load of dehydrated onions in it, a load of cashew nuts, some dehydrated chicken, some mixed herbs. Oh my god, it's just so tasty. It really is. I actually have a new head torch that I want to try out. I got sent it. It's the Sandmark Pro lamp, or headlamp. So yeah, I want to try that out. See what it's like. Had to put the beast on. cold. Oh, I gotta get this into me now as well. So this is the head torch. It's a Sandmark Pro. It's pretty cool. We'll check out how good it is now in a minute. I'll get some lighting on. Oh my god, so nice to be out. Let's have a look where our Guinness is now. My porch is working out well, I must admit. It's just there's zero wind in that full area. So if I even set down in there, like you're so covered. Mother's milk. Cheers. Guinness in a jet boil. Craig has Cooper's. It's Cooper's, is it? That's an Australian beer. I was in Australia years ago. Cooper's, what's the other one? Red New or Tooheys New? Tooheys New. Oh my god. Yeah. Plenty of beers over there. I'll sleep like a log tonight. Really will. Jesus, the wind hasn't let up. But I have my earphones or earplugs with me anyway. Watch a movie before I go to bed now, I will. So it's great to be out. I've been watching a lot of Hayes Outdoors actually at the moment. Jesus, he's brilliant. I watched one or two of them before, but he has a 14-day hike. I'll link it in the description, but it's well worth watching. I love his very relaxed nature of recording. So it's yeah, top channel if you ever look at Hayes Outdoors. So really enjoying it. I'm actually quite happy with the tarp. It's keeping all the wind off the actual tent itself, and it's staying solid. We'll see how it goes during the night. Oh, good morning. Jeez, a restless sleep. The wind was so thick and strong last night. Tossing and turning all night. But anyway, let's get up and see what kind of day it is. Really impressed by this head torch last night. Battery lasted 58 grams. It was bright enough. It was 500 lumens. It could come off quite easily. You could go onto a hat like that. Yeah, it's really cool actually. But I had no issues last night. I'll leave all the details in the description anyway. You can have a look and see what you think. But yeah, really like it. But it really worked well. Just like here, see, it's just making noise. If one or two little tweaks would have stopped that. So the way it's set up is it should go over the tent and then out. Then in the front of it you have like the triangle shape, and with the triangle shape you can put a pole in the middle one or poles at each side, just to create a much bigger kind of vestibule area. Cheers everyone, good morning. Oh my god. I've the Knock Meal Down challenge in 2 weeks time. Looking forward to that now. I'm actually thinking of recording the full challenge with my 360 camera. I'm very impressed by it lately. So I want to bring it out a bit more. Even the sound quality of it is actually really good without adding an external mic or anything like that. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing the full challenge with the 360 camera. It just gets some nice unique shots, and yeah, we'll see. And I've recorded that already, and I've also recorded the Tom Crean challenge and the Galtee challenge, but I have it in my head I want to do more of a guide to do them. What I pack, what I eat the day before to carb up, and it's so important to rehydrate and the day before it to get enough water into you, because it's always the way, no matter how much you drink on the day of the actual event, you could still be dehydrated. You need to have it in you the day before, and I guarantee when you have it in you the day before, you won't need as much on the day. So yeah, it's important. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's a good event. And then the Tom Crean challenge. So yeah, there's a few of us signed up for that now as well. So yeah, a couple of challenges, looking forward to it. What a beautiful morning. Honestly, it's just beautiful. I like this little spot. I'm impressed by this tarp as well. I know I said it already, but I really am. But yeah, you can sit here, fresh water source, and then just look straight down into the valley. Windy out though, really is windy. Yeah. So I did a 1 minute short of all the gear that I bring, and it lists out all my gear very fast, and I said piss bottle in it, and it seems to be in the comments all I hear is, did he just say piss bottle? But I did. So this is my piss bottle, and I have duct tape around it, so if I have any ripped or broken stuff or a broken pole, that can fix it. But it's a piss bottle. Yes, I said piss bottle. My poor gaiters have seen better days. Yeah, they're falling apart. I have these gaiters for so long. Black crystal. I remember, I say I'm wearing these for 3 years solid now. But they're just starting to wear away, even regardless of the stitching going in the bottom. I can fix that, but it's actually starting to wear through in places. See there? Yeah, so I think it's time to upgrade, even though I hate getting rid of them, because 3 years solid of hiking with these. But I have a few other pairs at home. I'm just reluctant to put them on. But yeah, I think I will. Well, watch that. And I've actually stitched that 3 times already. Anyway, let's see. I have a couple of pairs at home, so I'll go through them. Nothing left behind. Love this place. Leave no trace. Just a flat bit of ground. That's it. Stunning bloody day. It's Galtee Moor over, look. Oh, let's get going. We're just looking here. There's a lamb. It just gave birth. Oh, wow. How cute is that? Ah, it was so bloody nice seeing that lamb. Nature is just so beautiful. Really, really is. Brilliant. Now nearly back at the car. Oh, what an absolute stunner of a day. It really is. Not much breeze down here, but my God, it's breezy up there. Yeah, it was so cool seeing that lamb as well. Oh, nature is just amazing. So, didn't sleep well last night, but to wake up to that kind of morning is just, yeah, just blessed to be able to do it. So, thanks everyone for watching, and thanks for staying with me on these adventures. I love recording, I love getting out in nature, and I love editing, which is weird because it just, I love the storytelling of it. So, anyway, hopefully you'll join me in the next one, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care, bye.